a gamer, cosplayer, and specialty in anime and manga lover. Sometimes she do dance, voice covers, and video parody of her favorite animes like or pop idols. She mostly cosplay her favorite video game and anime characters on One Piece, Toradora, Full Metal Alchemist, Baki, Mobile Suit Gundam to make up his or her top 5 anime. White, black, pink, and pastel are his or her favorite colors. Charis and Kamui cosplay is her currently role models and sources of cosplay inspiration. So, wag na natin patagalin to.
Alright.
So we have,
She performed already yesterday,
Yes.
as a group, yung Hoshizora. But now, this is her first stage din
Yes.
as a solo idol.
so exciting to. So, give it up for some warm applause to our next performer, Taiga!
Taiga!
Shua po. Shua. Si Shua yung And then after po ng performance, auction ulit tayo.
This is ugly, but alam mo naman, dami like it then again. Cause I'm icy, kahit na ano kaya ang combine mo. What you gonna do doon pag may dumating na maitim na ulap ako kikiligin. Patutok sa positibo ay baka lang maprane. Kasi pag realidad na ang harang agad-agad. Anong pakiramdam? Anong pakiramdam? Anong pakiramdam? Anong pakiramdam? Memories will leave them behind. Many things we can't control. I hope you know it's better to try. It's one day we'll run out. Hey.
Wala ba kayong mga kamay para kay Taiga?
Hello
There?
po.
Yes. How does it feel to perform solo, Taiga?
Okay lang po, medyo kinakabahan kasi sanay po ako na as a group.
Sanay siya as a group. Pero she did really well, right? So, is this your first stage as a solo idol? Hindi
Yes
naman.
po. First po na solo po, pero hindi po idol.
I see,
Opo.
as a performer. Okay.
Opo.
So, how many more songs are you about to showcase today?
Last 2 songs na lang po.
Last 2 songs. So, let's give it up to
Thank you po.
Taiga. Thank you so much. I think that's the last performance of Taiga. Tama?
One last
Ay,
po.
one last pa. Diyos ko, bakit ko ba tinatapos ang kanyang stage? Okay, dahil save the best for last, isang mas malakas pang palakpak para kay Taiga. Taiga. Ayan, may moral support ang kanyang group. So, yes, let me interview muna si Taiga, no?
Thank you mga Hoshisora.
Alright, so you are a cosplayer,
Yes
you're a
po.
gamer. Ano yung pinaka-significant or hindi mo makakalimot? Lapit naman tayo dito. Okay. Yung pinaka-distinct and pinaka-favorite mong na-cosplay na character already.
Pag related po sa games, si Ronya po sa Honkai Star Rail. Kasi siya po yung pinag-isipan po at saka
Pinaghandaan.
pinaghandaan.
Mhm. So, how long have you been doing this?
Since 20 years old po. Nalaman yung edad.
Ay, so akala ko nga you're just 12-year-old. So, wag natin i-reveal yon. So, legal age naman pala siya. So, next question ko, ang mga kino-cosplayer, pina-perform mo from One Piece, Toradora, Full Metal Alchemist, Baki, and Mobile Suit Gundam din.
Opo.
Ayan. So, what are the preparation that you are doing kapag mga ganitong may event?
First po, pinapanood ko po yung mga dapat kong practicein po. And then, nag-set po ako ng schedule para sa practice.
Alright. And let's talk about your outfit. Was this purchase online? Pinagawa mo ba to? Okay.
Ano po, pinahiram po sa akin.
Ikaw na naman ang cosplay community, di ba?
Yes
So
po.
we share. So thank you so much, Taiga.
Thank you din po.
I think you're gonna perform pa with the
Apo,
group.
later
Alright,
po.
later on. So, palakpakan naman
Thank you so
natin.
much po.
Thank you.